mean, I get it, but we're still dying. We're all dying.
We're dying. That's how you know we're alive.
Take over my old man's Honda dealership and buy a little house. Maybe have a couple kids so I can learn what to be loved unconditionally. Is that selfish?